Hey, Harris. Have you heard about the professional freelancing training program by eTrainings?
No, I haven't. What's that about?
It's an amazing opportunity to level up our freelancing skills. I just came across their website, and they are starting a new batch on the 22nd of July 2023.
That sounds interesting. But why should we choose eTrainings over other options?
Well, eTrainings is known for its comprehensive and industry-focused training programs. They have highly experienced instructors who are experts in their respective fields.
That's impressive. But what specific skills will we learn in this program?
They cover a wide range of freelancing skills, including digital marketing, graphic design, content writing, web development, and more. They provide a holistic approach to freelancing, ensuring we have the necessary skills to succeed in today's competitive market.
That's exactly what we need to enhance our career prospects. Are there any additional benefits?
Absolutely. One of the major advantages is the flexibility of their training schedule. We can attend the classes online, which means we don't have to worry about our existing commitments.
That's convenient. I like the idea of being able to learn from the comfort of our own homes.
And here's the best part, eTrainings offers lifetime access to the course materials. So even after the program ends, we can revisit the lessons whenever we need to brush up on our skills.
That's a fantastic feature. It shows that eTrainings genuinely cares about our growth as freelancers.
Absolutely, Harris. Plus, they provide ongoing support through their community forums, where we can connect with fellow freelancers and industry experts. It's like having a network of mentors and collaborators.
That's incredible. I believe this program will give us the edge we need to stand out in the freelancing world.
Definitely, Harris. With eTrainings, we'll be equipped with the latest tools and techniques, allowing us to deliver high-quality work and attract more clients.
Count me in, Ali. Let's register for the Professional Freelancing Training Program by eTrainings and take our freelancing careers to new heights.
Great! I'll visit at Cyberonics Facilitation Center, Aslam Market, Wakhan right away and register myself for Batch 8 starting on the 22nd of July 2023.
Are you ready to take your freelancing career to new heights? Well, look no further because the Professional Freelancing Training Program by eTrainings is here to unlock your full potential.